Let's make you a tasty bread. Guys, welcome to Creator's Kitchen, and today we're gonna make you date and hazelnut and walnut bread. So here we have some date and we're gonna just chop them. These are some lovely organic dates, so we're just gonna chop them in small pieces. They're quite dry and sugary, so let's cut them. Quite big. So this is 125 grams of dry dates. So here we have some chopped dates, and we're just gonna put those in the bowl. Chop our dates, we're gonna add the rest of the ingredient. So in that we have some crushed, some of them are not crushed, some hazelnut and walnut, so we pour that in to that, and that's 25 grams of walnut. And we have some bran flakes, pour that in. Yeah, and then we have 25 grams of malt sugar, so we're gonna put that in. Just 25 grams malt sugar, pour that in. And in that we have half a pint of milk. Yes. There, half a pint of milk. So you can see the pint there. Yeah. So we're gonna pour that in with all that mixture. Okay. And here we have 300 grams of whole wheat flour, plain whole wheat flour, bread flour. So we're gonna add some baking soda to that. So we're gonna move this from here. So here we have some baking powder. We're gonna add 2 teaspoons, 2 lemon, 2. And we're just gonna mix that baking powder in nicely. So we're just gonna mix 300 grams of whole wheat flour. Are we making bread? So you mix the baking powder into the flour to make sure it's nicely mixed in. And here we have 1/4 teaspoonful of salt, and you mix that in. And now we're gonna switch bowl by adding our flour to the. So before we add our flour, we're just gonna use our wooden spoon and make sure the sugar is dissolved in the milk. And just mix this for a little bit. So that's nicely mixed. And then we're gonna slowly add our flour in. And mix that in. And this is the last bit of the flour. So we're just gonna mix that a little bit in. Now our mixture is ready. Can you see that? So guys, I made this bread with my auntie once. I don't know how it's gonna turn out. And I hadn't done this for a while, so hopefully it turns out good. Wish me all the luck making this bread. So as you can see, the mixture is now ready. And what we're gonna do here, we're gonna put it into a loaf tin. Get it going. So now as the mixture done, we're gonna grease our loaf tin and put the bread. So I remove this, and guys, I am just buttering my loaf tin with some butter. Get it done with this. So you just get a piece, get some butter in and get some tracing paper and just, or some kitchen roll, and butter your tin. Now we're gonna dust some flour in to make sure the butter stays. So we just put some flour in and knock it about. Make sure the flour go everywhere over the tin. So you get all the flour, then you just knock that flour out. So you don't want to have no flour. So you get all that floured. Now guys, the tin is ready, and we are just gonna put our mixture into the loaf tin. So as you can see, I fully butter it and flour it, so you stop the bread from sticking. And here we go, we're just gonna add our mixture to the tin. It is a bit difficult to come out the bowl because it's quite thick. It's a thick mixture. Yeah, you don't need this one, you just make it very thick. So what you got to do, use your spatula then and set it nice. Make sure it's all covering the tin nicely. So you just use the spatula and spread it out a bit. Here we go. So now we are going to chop some dates, and we're going to add some chopped dates on the top of the pastry. You can chop them in whatever size you want to chop them in. Tell you, when you put these dates on the loaf and the bread is cooked, it's like it's like your roasted date. It tastes really nice when you're eating the bread. You have a nice taste. I don't know how to explain it, but it's really nice. So now that we had all the dates on top, now we're gonna put this in the oven for 45 minutes to 50 minutes at gas mark 180°C. So now we put it in the oven. We're just gonna leave it to bake. here we just remove the bread from the oven. Look at that beautiful color with all that roasted dates. So delicious. What we do here, we use that toothpick and we just check to make sure it's thoroughly baked, and as you can see the toothpick is clean. So now we're going to put this on a cooling rock to cool. So here it's not a big bread. Just take our knife and flip it out, and here it is cooling on the cooling rock. So I will cut into this bread to let you see how it looks. There the bottom is nicely done, it's not burned. It's a nice thick loaf. It's only a small one, but trust me guys, it is tasty. It's nice to have with a hot cup of peppermint tea or coffee. Look at it. It turned out so well. So I hope you enjoyed making this loaf with me today, and if you do so, please send me a comment on how you like it, and if you like the taste of the bread with that nice nut. So what we are going to do at the moment now, we're going to cut into this bread to let you see how lovely it turns out. It turns out really well, and you have that nice cooked nuts inside and that nice sweet dates. It gives the bread a really nice, it's like a nice tasty, more like a bun. It's really nice, and you can see all nicely cut into it with a knife. So if you enjoy making this bread with me today, and it's your first time in Creator's Kitchen, thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and thanks all my fans for watching. I would love to reach my 500 target subscribers, so please subscribe. And I hope you enjoy this bread. Please don't forget to tell me how you like this bread. Put it in the comment below. You won't regret baking it. And if you're first time, welcome to the channel. Enjoy this lovely, tasty walnut, hazelnut, and date bread. It's so simple and easy to make. It's not a lot of ingredients. As long as you have some nuts and dates in your kitchen and some whole wheat flour, you're ready to go. So I hope you try making this loaf, and I hope you enjoy making this bread, and I hope you enjoy eating it as well, because it's so tasty. And don't forget to turn the thumbs up and subscribe. Help me to reach my target, guy. I need to hit that 500 target subscriber. So I hope to see you in my next video, same time next week. Enjoy this